Hello K2B. In today's video we will be doing some addition sentences and we'll be drawing some pictures to help us solve our problems. But before we start, I just wanted to refresh your memory to see if you can help me remember what signs we use when we are going to add. Let's see, I have two signs up here. I have this sign and this sign. Which one is the sign that we use when we want to add or join two groups to make a bigger number? We use this one. What is this sign called, boys and girls? It starts with the plus sign. You got it. We use the plus sign when we want to add. Does anyone remember what this is called? I usually use it in a word sentence, and at the end I say how many are in all. This is the same thing as it. It is called the equal sign, and it means how many in all or in all. So boys and girls, we will be using these two signs today to make our addition sentence. So stay tuned because I'm going to need your help so that we can solve our addition problems. So let's start our addition sentence. I have my plus sign and my equal sign. I'm going to give you a story problem and we are going to work on it together to solve it. My first problem is Miss Vega had 2 apples. How many apples did I have? 2 apples. So I'm going to write that number 2. Then her mom gave her 2 more apples. 2 more. So in order to find out how many I have in all, I am going to draw some counters to help me solve my problem. I have the number 2, so I'm going to draw 2 counters to represent my 2 first apples. And then how many more do I need to draw, boys and girls? Can you help me? Yes, 2 more. You got it. 1, 2. So now I'm going to count all the apples, and then we're going to find out what 2 plus 2 is in all. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, awesome. Let's read our sentence. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, our next problem. Miss Fullerton was in her house and she found 3 pennies. How many pennies did she find? 3. So we're going to write the number 3, and then I need my plus sign. Then Miss Fullerton walked to her kitchen and she found 4 more pennies. How many pennies did she find? 4 more. 3 plus 4. I'm missing something. What could that something be? Yes, my equal sign. 3 plus 4 equals, my sentence is not complete. So I'm going to draw counters again to help me solve my sentence. I need to draw how many counters on my first one, boys and girls? 3 to represent the 3 pennies Miss Fullerton found. 3 pennies. And then she found how many more? 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's our next step, boys and girls? I have 3 pennies and 4 more. What do I do next? Can you remind Miss Vega? Yes, let's count them all so we can find out how much we have in all. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Okay, K2B. So now that we finished our 2 problems, for the third problem, I'm going to give you a challenge. I'm going to give you the story problem and you're going to solve it all by yourself because I know that you know how to do this and you were so helpful with my first 2 problems. So my third problem is going to be with Mrs. Lopez. Mrs. Lopez has 3 cats. I'm going to write the number 3. Her grandmother gave her 6 more cats. How many cats does Mrs. Lopez have in all? And I want you to add in the symbols that we use when we do a addition sentence. Good luck, boys and girls. I'm pretty sure you all got this answer, but just in case you didn't, let's go over it because sometimes we do get things wrong and that's okay. We can brush it off and try again. So I have the 3 cats. 1, 2, 3, my 3 counters representing the 3 cats. And then I have 6 more cats and my 6 more counters. Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Thank you, K2B, for your help today on the addition problems. I hope that this video was fun while you were doing it with me and helping me, and I hope that you can continue using this strategy of drawing to help you with your math skills. Bye, boys and girls. Until next time.